Mystery Antarctica, giant staircase in Antarctic, maybe alien landing site or ancient pyramid. A mysterious giant staircase-like structure spotted in the Antarctic is evidence of an alien landing, conspiracy theorists claim. Satellite imagery has uncovered what appears to be a large staircase in the middle of an area which is supposed to be a barren wasteland. The shock discovery, which comes after a curious high-profile visit to the region, has sparked wild claims about its origin. Users on popular conspiracy theory forum Godlike Productions suggested the huge steps were part of a pyramid structure. Others went further, claiming they were tracks left by a UFO. One so-called truther linked the strange phenomenon to tubes spotted on Mars. Dark rumors have swirled around the little visited frozen region, with claims it is home to a secret Nazi base, an ancient civilization or an underground alien race persisting for decades. An anonymous user posted the image on the forum, explaining, "This morning, in the work van, we were talking about conspiracies, and one of them were about so many big names going to Antarctica out of the blue. I was bored, so I pulled out Google Earth for a while, just exploring, when I came across something that looked like a giant staircase." He suggested it could be a glitch with the satellite cameras. But fellow netizens were equipped to put forward more far-fetched reasons. One poster said, "It does look like stairs, maybe on a pyramid structure. I'm not an alien believer, but I do believe we've been all over this planet many times in our past." But another disagreed, writing, "They are not stairs, way too big. They are ridges formed by a saw-teeth-shaped weight bearing down and compacting the snow. It's more likely a landing site than stairs." Another agreed, "Very interesting that it is just above the big rectangular blur and it's also in the circle of alien activity." One of the forum's administrators, with the username Trinity, said, "Looks a lot like the tubes on Mars." UC claimed the Germans planted Nazi flags, claiming parts of the Antarctic as new Swabia, but another poster disagreed, claiming the conspiracy had another dizzying layer. They explained, NASA is setting up a fake alien encounter. It's an elaborate, well-planned hoax. A four-sided snow pyramid structure, similar to the Egyptian pyramids, was supposedly uncovered in the Antarctic just last November. Some took this as further evidence of a long-fabled ancient civilization on the continent, which some people believe was free of snow less than 12,000 years ago. Novelist and New Age theorist David Wicock claims ancient civilizations have been living underneath the surface of our planet for centuries. Some have even suggested Antarctica is the real site of the city of Atlantis. In the late 19th and early 20th century, many people, including many founders of the Nazi Party, believed mythical alien super beings called the Vridia lived underground at the South Pole. The Nazis built a secret base at the Antarctic before WW2, where UFO hunters believe they developed flying saucers. Some of the Tin Hat Brigade claim the base was taken over by the US after the war. And they have taken a recent visit to the area by US Secretary of State John Kerry as further proof the base is still active. In what is probably a complete coincidence, scientists have warned an Antarctic ice shelf a quarter of the size of Wales is about to break off.